Hi everyone, welcome to the Forge Type Co. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a wacky drop shadow in Adobe Illustrator. Hey, thanks so much for joining us today, guys. If we haven't met before, my name's Jonathan and I'm from the Forge Type Co, where we create resources and products to help designers. On this channel, we release new design tutorials every single week, so don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest free design tutorials. All right, we're back in Illustrator. So the first thing you want to do is write your word that you're going to put the drop shadow on. I'm going to be using the word shadow today, real original. All right, now drag a copy of it down here somewhere where you want to make the drop shadow. So I'm just holding Option right now to do this and Shift. Now this top one, so you just have to think which one's going to be your top and which one's going to be the shadow. So make a copy of this, Command C on Mac to make a copy of it. And you just need that one later, so just leave that for now. Now select both of them, come up to Object, down to Blend, and Make. If it doesn't do this straight away and it just gives you a few in the middle, I'll show you how to fix that. So come here, Object, Blend Options. You might have to come into specific steps because when you do it the first time, it might look like this and it might have these weird bumps on it or not enough to make it the strong shadow. Because if you think about it, it's making copies of the word constantly down from here to here. So this right now it's making 50 copies. So we need to make enough so that it looks like a straight shadow. So come up, Object, Blend Options, and just put this up to whatever you need it to be. We're going to do 400 today. All right, now that copy we made before, Command F to paste on place, and now change the color of it so you can see it. So it's a basic way to make the shadow. So now to make it wacky like I had in the thumbnail that you'll see, I've been doing this a lot when we made Kombi Spirit because I was going for a real whack approach. So you just got to draw your shape that you're gonna make it from. So I'm gonna use kind of this shape today. Now select this line that you've made and select the drop shadow. So this line here, not this top thing, just this line here. Come over to Object, Blend, and then replace spine. And it's gonna replace this with that. So now it has the cool bend in it. So you just have to find where your top thing is again, this little fiddly. Press Command Y and you can see the outline. And then if you line it up, back Command Y, then you can see it again. So this is how I get the bend in it. And then to add the next effect, we want to select it, Object, Blend, Expand. It's going to make it a shape. And now sometimes you just need to do it again, make sure it gets it all. Now you want to select this. You want to come over to from fill and make a stroke of it. Make fill nothing. And then put the fill down to as small as you can. You can even just select it and go 0.1. So it's a really, really fine stroke. And there you go, you got this cool wacky effect. And then one thing to make it even cooler, select it, come over to Gradient, open Gradient, and select some colors that you want to play around with. Good combo to always start with is the classic blue and purple color. And that's going to make it look nice and wacky. Whoop, just need to flick that around. Get rid of fill. And there we go. You can even get rid of this bit if you want, if you can read it enough. And that's how I create this really detailed wacky drop shadow effect. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. If there's something that you want to see a tutorial on, leave a comment below and I'll make a video of it in the future. We can do logo design, we can do Illustrator tutorials, we can do font design. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it today and subscribe for future videos. Thanks so much for watching.